Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. So yeah, it's quite a weak chart unfortunately. We had actually quite a nice rally here between December and February. Spiked here to around 18 cents, but then came down quite deep. Not a problem in itself, but it came down quite deep already. The problem that then started, or problem that continued really, was that this move up into April was just a three-wave rally. So that leaves us with two interpretations. Unfortunately, it doesn't really give us clarity, because it would have been easier to have here a nice five-wave move up. Didn't happen. Clear three-wave move, must be corrective. And that leaves us again with two options, unfortunately. So it gives us a bit of a lack of clarity. A lot of coins actually created a five-wave rallies, where they then didn't drop down that deep in March. Okay, so it invites a more bullish perspective. Here things are rather unclear, and I'm actually preferring the yellow count, which would send us down lower until Chiliz can prove the bullish count by breaking and sustaining above 16.3 cents, the top of the red resistance area. So the bullish count would imply that yes, we rallied in a wave 1, we actually came down in a wave W. This was an X wave, and we now come down in a Y wave, which would need to be quite shallow. Key support, I'd say, is around the area where the previous wave W low was at 10 cents. So it's psychological support as well. It can't really go down much deeper, because then it would invalidate the bullish perspective anyway by breaking below the January low or December low. But then we would take off from here. Yeah, that's the bullish perspective. Less likelihood, in my opinion, due to the three-wave rally up here into April, and due to the problem that the March low was so deep. Yeah, it was already very close to invalidation, which would have happened below the where is invalidation? That would have been below the 9.76 cent level. Okay. Now therefore we've got the bearish count on the chart, the yellow count. I can count the move down here as a wave 1. Yeah, could be the first wave of an ending diagonal, then the wave 2 here to the upside in a nice three-wave move, and the wave 3 down could be unfolding. Now the choppy nature of the move is okay, because again that move down would be an ending diagonal. That's why the wave 1 would have been a three-wave move as well. So lack of clarity here. Yellow is preferred until chart proves something more bullish, and because we are currently below resistance. Yeah. However, and we reacted to the 50% retracement, so it actually reacted to a common retracement point here for the wave 2. So let's see. I mean, again, if it goes a bit higher than here, I would count it as an extension of the wave 2 in the bearish version, right? It would need to take price above that 78.6 retracement, which is then basically more than it would be ideal for a wave 2. I wouldn't be able to rule out the wave 2 though, but it would get less likely. I would then look at something more bullish instead, more closely, if we break above that 16.27 cent level. But until then, I would assume this is the yellow count, unfortunately. Yeah, even if it's just for risk management purposes, because some other coins show clearer setups to the upside, and Chiliz already was so weak in March that I would have some concerns here that this is eventually going to break. I wouldn't be surprised, at least, if it takes out those swing lows of March and December. But it can always surprise. It's just that I don't have that clear setup to the upside from here. Yeah, it could be the white count is valid, but the problem is that this Y wave would be very, very short. Unnaturally short makes the bullish count less likely. All right, that's my update about Chiliz. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.